What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are making a Don Toliver beat from scratch in Ableton. Absolutely from scratch. Everybody's been asking for this one non-stop, so it's here. I'm ready to give it to you guys. We're going full in on this one. So if you're ready, let's jump right into this.
One time like this, make it pop like this, make it knock like this, make it drop like one time like this, make it pop.
Alright guys, so I actually went ahead and started working on the melody because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes melodies take me forever to get perfect, so I end up spending a ton of time on them, and I went ahead and pre-made most of this. So let's go ahead and take a listen to what I have right now, and then we can jump in, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did everything. I'm going to break it down for you guys. Super simple, and I used Omnisphere for most of this. Alright, so there's really just going to be two parts to this. I'm going to start keeping it super simple in the second part. Okay, let's talk about this one first, because this one pretty much plays the entire time. Actually, most of these presets that we're going to take a look at are from the Keyscape Creative patch, now that I think about it, because I also have Keyscape as well. But this one's the Absurd Neon, and I'm still going to show you guys the patches regardless. This one's cool because it has a really nice delay on it. And then you're going to notice I use halftime on like all of these. And what am I doing here? Yeah, full on halftime. So this is what it sounds like. Really simple MIDI on this one. What I originally did was I kept it just these two notes repeating over and over again, and then as I started building out different parts of the melody, I went back and I actually expanded it and I made it go down here, because I think for our bass line we're going to have it start somewhere around here, and then we're going to go down a couple notes and then have it ride down there afterwards. Okay, so I also used this one. I really liked it because of the texture that's in it. It sounds like it's panned off to the left or off to the right in here. You can hear it sounds like almost leaves or coins dropping on the ground. So I wanted to use this because it's going to give it a cool feel in there with the melody. But I wanted to kind of layer it with another bell sort of sound that I liked. So I went ahead and used the same exact MIDI and layered it with another sound. This is just this simple dark block. So together they sound like this now. And now all we have left is the piano, so here's the MIDI for that. Let's take a quick listen. I also wanted to go ahead and put some distortion with the piano, just some like fuzz to go with it, just to make it sound kind of cool and different, give it more of a texture. So I went ahead and added this as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the drums now, but first I want to show you how I'm going to be arranging the melody. So if you know this song, you probably know the song After Party. This is doing something similar to what that song does. So in that song, every 8 bars or so, it switches up pretty drastically between a really awesome melody and then something that's a little laid back and more chill. So we're going to do something kind of similar like that with the melodies that we just created. So it's going to be something along those lines right there. Now let's jump into these drums. Alright, so what I did next to kind of finish off the drums is I found a really cool perk loop that I liked, and I went ahead and chopped out certain sounds from it and placed it in with the drums to make it fit in there correctly. So let's take a look at those really quick. So it's really just these three sounds here, one up here and these two right here. Alright, so we're just going to layer that 808 with a kick now as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a quick mix on this, just clean things up ever so slightly, and then do some arrangement. Well, you already saw how the melodies were going to be arranged in there, and then I'm just going to put drums in there, take them out, and bring them back in at certain points just to keep it interesting. But besides that, we're going to watch this beat on the way out. Thank you so much for watching this one all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this one, make sure to smash the like button on your way out and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're uploading videos like this every single week that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that, fam, let's take a listen to this one, and I'll be catching you again in the next one. Peace out.
Fearless, run it up.